Hey, what's up? How you doing today? I hope you're doing better than I am today because I am not happy because I'm trying to replace the core cartridge on my turbo from a 2013 Volkswagen Passat 2.0 CKR on the timing cover, 140 horse, 236 foot-pounds torque. And I got the wrong part thanks to AutoZone. Get out of the zone, AutoZone. Oh, Roto Master. I'd never heard of this, but they had it in stock. I said, hey, let's try it. Turbocharger and component specialist. Yeah, they specially gave me the wrong thing here. I probably should have known when the box was box taped shut. Like somebody else has probably already been down this road before. So I got the thing just wanted to swap out the core cartridge, and of course it was wrong. It was not the same. If you can tell from the old one here, which the old one has. Hold up, get a little bit more light on here. The old one you can tell has a lot of play in the spin. I need a body cam so I can do this better, make better videos. But yeah, you can't really tell from here. But this thing has a lot of. See that? It has a lot of play in it. And it started blowing smoke out the tailpipe big time. White smoke. I guess it was just blowing through the exhaust. But some was getting in the intake too, because some nasty, funky looking oil poured out of the intercooler. So anyway, this has turned out to be a nightmare. I probably would not recommend it. I'm trying to do it the smart way by just leaving the exhaust manifold on the car and just pulling the compressor side, pulling the cartridge out, swap it out, put it back together. No way. Here's the first dumb thing they did. The 4 screws that hold the aluminum compressor housing on there, look what they did. Jerks. They used Torx screws instead of regular hex. I know earlier models just had regular hex. So that's a problem right away. I was having to use a dumb quarter-inch wrench with a little quarter hex Torx bit, and of course it wouldn't stay in there. I didn't have a good tool. I was having to like masking tape the little bit to stay in the wrench. I used that on 2 of these, I think. 2 of them, I used some small kind of needle nose type locking pliers and just grabbed the outside of this and was able to break it loose. There was enough room to get 2 of them out that way. Then once you get 2 or 3 out, you can actually rotate this, I don't know, 180 degrees, almost maybe 180 degrees to help get to the other ones. And that was helped. I gently used like a crowbar and just pried in between here, but very gently. And look, speak of the devil, the new one, what did it come with? All hex bolts. I mean, screws. They're small. These are, I think, 6mm. There's 6 screws on the exhaust and 4 on the compressor side. So if you got these stupid Torx, just throw those away and grab some regular hex head 6. I believe they're 6mm. Yes, M6-1.0. Metric. So if you can't get stainless, these aren't stainless. Use plenty of anti-seize on them because this stuff gets hot. But some about this length that says those are 16mm. Here's 20mm. That's probably a little bit too long. But I'm also thinking about cut the hex off and use a stud and a nut. Might be easier to assemble. So anyway, this is so wrong in so many ways. This actuator switch is the same, but I don't even need that crap. So I knew something was up when these were so close